So this video is all about how to mint on the BRC-20 blockchain, because why you really want to get involved in this is like literally people are being able to mint things for $7. Let's see, BRC-20, $7 sold 300x Reddit. But people were able to, let's see, pet BRC token is up 55% in the last 24 hours. I mean, can't remember the one I saw, but imagine, because let's explain it. So minting is free. You're just paying your transaction fees, because obviously how it works is just demand. Because if we see here and you need your unisat wallet, you can download the extension and then either put some BTC on it. You can buy directly, or if you've got BTC already, you can do it that way. Now, I already did this video, but I didn't save, so I'm not sure if I've got enough BTC to carry on minting some. But if I show you the process, so you've gone on unisat.io, connect your wallet, go to BRC20, and then here you'll be able to see if these are 100%, that means everyone's minted them. I remember Audi is big, so people before Audi joined the exchange, people are minting them for free, and then once 100%, the only way people can get it now is by getting it from you. So that's the key, that you're able to find ones that are in progress, mint them, and there's that chance once it's 100% and people find it valuable or want it, they can only get it from you. So that's how people have paid the transaction fee, which is just $7, what we'll see in a second, for just minting one, and then by 4 months it's now they've done 300x on it because they've got what people want. For all of these protocols, like especially it's NFTs, it's art, so there's functionality. You've got the one for the metaverse, then you've got one like bitmaps, Bitcoin stamps, that can help make it all immutable. So which one am I going to try do? I'll try Dodge again, or should I try Hams? Because that's the next. Or Hodl. Hodl sounds like a good name. It's got loads of transactions, not many holders. I wanted one. I don't know if I can try do this one. Confirmed, because last time I tried the 99% ones, there wasn't actually any left. But let's have a look. So mint directly. So that's all you press. Tells you here actually, before we do that, if I close, you can see here your limit per mint. And then you've got decimals, how much repeats you can do. If I remember right.